Another piece of equipment you have at all seniors care is the Laser Star Projector. So this is a Laser Star Projector here at a different site, but it sits on its own base. We do suggest you put this base via the holes in the bottom of it to the wall. There's a place to hang it, kind of like a picture would hang. There's 4 small holes. Put screws in with plugs, mount it to the wall. There's a wire that plugs into the wall. You bring it through and plug it into the back of the star projector. So it just slots into the hole back in there. And once you have that plugged in, you then have the option of the black dot on the front or the knob on the back to project the images. So you push the black dot and it puts on stars. Let me just see in this room, turn off the lights. So it puts stars on the walls. You can move those stars around the room, moving them up or moving them down. So depending on your unit and where you've got it. So the other thing we can add to this by using the knob, turning the knob, creates what's called the Milky Way or the blue light. So let's see if I can do this down on the floor a wee bit. You can see it. So there's the blue Milky Way on, blue Milky Way off by essentially turning the knob at the back of the Starlight projector. The button on the top is the on-off to turn the unit on or off. Let me see it up close here, sitting on an armchair. So let's turn the blue light with it. Here we go. So the blue light knob is at the back. The button here for turning it off and on is at the front. Just blue light or blue light off. If you have any further questions on the Laser Star Projector, give us a call in the office at 905-492-9211 and you can speak with Leslie or Carol. Thanks. Bye.